You probably already know this product. It's one of my favorites, Revlon Colorstay Longwear Makeup. It is actually 24 hours. It's a cult favorite. I am truly obsessed. It has a gorgeous, flawless finish. The other thing that I really love about this product is that it's super breathable and manageable too to like put on with your fingers. Some people like to have a brush or whatever, but I'm a finger person because I feel like I have more control. So for the normal to dry product, which is the one that I like to wear, it has hyaluronic acid. We love hyaluronic acid. It keeps you hydrated. For the girls that are so dry. I'm so dry. But anyways, here we go. We'll put on a little bit. It even kind of gives you this like gorgeous glow, which I think is so important for like a flawless finish. It's not matte. Also, it comes in 44 different shades. It's truly a foundation that's made for everyone. And voila, a flawless finish. 24-hour longwear, Revlon Colorstay. I am obsessed.